Do you ever wonder how you could possibly create your own lettering style? Are you struggling with comparing yourself to others? I'm so glad you're here. Join me in creating your own confident lettering style with this YouTube series called 26 Ways to Letter. Hey friends, I'm Sarah from Ensign Insights. Thank you so much for checking out this video. Today I'm using the Kelly Creates small brush pens. I have a video where I reviewed these comparing them to other small brush pens. I will link to that in the description below. Letter N is just the downstroke and then the compound curve, and you put them together. If you don't know what the basic strokes are, I will link to that video. You can see here it is pretty slow even while I am tracing. This is my real-time lettering. There are so many different things you can do with the letter N. It's about finding the little details that you can change up and playing with the baseline, playing with the curves, and you can practice with me if you want these practice sheets. I will link to it below. It's in my workbook called Fearless Lettering, where I have 26 ways to letter each letter of the alphabet for small or large brush pens. So you could choose if you don't like large brush pens. There's also the small brush pen option, or vice versa. One thing that is really important that I share in my Fearless Lettering workbook is that your style is just that. It's yours. So nobody else gets to tell you what it should look like or that it doesn't look good because you decide. And obviously there are different tricks and techniques that you can do to make it look more consistent. But in the end, it's all up to you, what you enjoy and what you create. So I'm giving you lots of different ways so that you can practice them for yourself and decide which one fits with you, which one do you like most, which ones do you not like. It's okay if you don't like some of these. In the workbook, Fearless Lettering, I go over a process of how to create your own and be confident in it when we are creating something that is totally different and totally new. It can be hard and scary sometimes to put it out there into the world and share it with others because we don't know how it will be taken because it's new and it's just us. And I struggled with that for a long time, thinking that my lettering had to look just like somebody else. And that's why I shared that process with you in the workbook, because I want you to be able to work through that and get past it so that you can feel how good it feels when you have your own style and you know that it looks good because you love it. You don't need any of that external validation to know that it is good. Obviously, the external validation feels good. It always does, but it won't feel good if you don't believe it yourself. Because no matter what people say about it, if you're not believing it, then it's not going to mean the same thing as if you can believe it for yourself. As good as it feels to get external validation, and as much as we do need that a lot of times, it is fleeting, so it's not going to last if we can't internalize it for ourselves. And my last thought that I have for you is to encourage you to try something different, try something new, take these ends that you've seen and then come up with your own. You can do it. It is a new day, like I am writing here. It's okay to try new things. It's okay to do something different, to change, to experiment. It's okay to make mistakes and to not like something at first and work through the not liking it to get to the loving it, because it will happen with enough practice and with enough mistakes. That's how you're going to get there. I want to thank you for being here, for watching this video. If you liked it and it was helpful, give it a thumbs up. Let me know in the comments what style you liked and didn't like. And subscribe so you don't miss my next video. And I will see you next time.